The length of time needed to obtain an Australian visa may vary based on the kind of visa, the number of applications, and the specific situation. The type of visa you are applying for, the level of data in your application, and the popularity of your category will all affect how long it takes to complete your Australia visa. In 2024, processing timelines could occasionally change as a result of changing immigration laws and global situations. Based on the most recent data from the Department of Home Affairs, we will give an overview of the Australia visa processing times in August 2024 for some of the most common visa types in Australia in this video. The Australian Department of Home Affairs made a bold announcement earlier this year about streamlining its processes and systems for granting visas, which would save a significant amount of time for many different types of visas. In this video, we'll provide you all the details on the affected visa categories, current processing timeframes, how to monitor processing times, and other important updates. Latest visa processing times. As of August 2024, the following processing timelines apply to these visa types. 1. Subclass 500 student visas are processed in the postgraduate research sector in 27 days to 4 months, and in the higher education sector in 20 days to 4 months. 2. Processing times for Subclass 482 temporary skilled shortage visas are around 36 days to 3 months for the labor agreement stream and 33 days to 4 months for the short-term stream. 3. The processing time for tourist visas is 10 to 25 days, but the work and holiday visa takes 24 hours to 65 days to get. Even while certain visa categories, including permanent skilled visas, claim incredibly fast processing timeframes, certain visa categories are still being processed after many months. Despite concerns that the huge number of applications created considerable delays in the processing of visas, the Department of Home Affairs is actively working to expedite the processing of these visas. How to check Australia visa processing times. If you have filed a visa application, you can utilize the Department of Home Affairs website's visa processing timeframes guidance to confirm the details. The bulk of visa processing times are accessible with the release of new data, and visa processing time information is updated on a regular basis. Please note, however, that information on family visas that are limited to first-time applicants and those that are waiting for it might not be available. To ensure that your application is processed as soon as possible, submit your application with any necessary supporting documentation. You may ensure that your application contains the required supporting paperwork by using the checklists available on IMI account. Permanent skilled visas. Permanent skilled visas, like the Subclass 189, are now processed by the Department of Home Affairs in 5 to 18 months, while the 190 visa takes 3 to 24 months. The Australian economy and those applying for visas would both benefit greatly from the Department of Home Affairs' efforts to reduce processing times, and applicants may feel more certain that their applications will be handled quickly and effectively. The increasing number of visitors and skilled workers boosts the Australian economy, and for the most recent processing schedules, see the Department of Home Affairs website. Additionally, submitting your application online can help to speed up the process. Some Australia visa application tips. The following will help you submit an application for a visa with high rate of acceptance. 1. Verify that you fulfill all prerequisites for the desired visa. 2. Fill out your application carefully and precisely. 3. Submit any further documents that has to be submitted. 4. File the application, make the required payment, and wait patiently for the application's outcome. Most immigration programs already have longer processing timeframes, which is especially true for those that offer temporary visas. Alongside the spike in visa applications, a rising number of new cases are being accepted and a considerable share of the older cases are being handled. While concentrating on older applications, the Department of Home Affairs is processing these as swiftly as possible. To get further insight into Australia's immigration regulations, kindly check the Department of Home Affairs website. By simplifying its processes and procedures for issuing visas, the Australian government has been reducing the processing timeframes for a number of different visa categories. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching.